Very good morning, children. So today we'll learn comparing numbers. How we compare the given numbers. Rule for comparison of numbers. First rule: if the number of digits is more, the number is greater. So here you count the digits: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here six digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. So first whenever the numbers are asked to compare, you are asked to compare the numbers, just count the digits. If the number of digits are more, then the number is greater. Here 6 digits are there, here 5 digits are there. So the number with more digits is a greater. Second one, if the number of digits are same. So whenever more number of digits are there, you will write. If the number of digits are same, what you will do? Start comparing from extreme left. Just see example: 8,75,687, 2,25,985, 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both the sides we have six digits. So what you will do is you start comparing from extreme left, means left side, from this side. So both the numbers have 6 digits. So here extreme left we have 8, extreme left we have 2. Which is a greater? So the number containing digit containing more value, 8 is greater. So like that, 8 is greater than 2. Obviously 8,75,687 is greater than 2,25,985. If the digits on the left extreme are same, compare the next digit. So suppose here also 8 is there. What you'll do? You'll compare the next digit. So just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same number of digits are there. So what you'll do? You'll compare next extreme. 3 is there over here, 3 is there. 3 are equal. Then you'll compare next digit. Next digit from the left. 5, here it is 5, here it is 2. Which is greater? 5 is greater than 2. So put a sign like this. Proceed in this manner till you reach rightmost digit. So till you reach the rightmost digit. Just to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 5 digits are same. So compare left. Here it is 4. Here it is 4. Both are equal. Here it is 4. And the number over here it is 4. Both are equal. Next left. The number over here is 8. The number over here is 7. So which is greater? 8 is greater or 7 is greater? 7 is greater. Hence 44,812 is greater than 44,789. One more example if you see. First count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both the digits are same. Start comparing from the left side. 3 equal. 2 and 2 are equal. Then move to left. 2. Both are equal. 8 and 8. Both are equal. Then last number you see 3 and 5. 285, 283. So which is greater? 5 is greater than 3. So put a symbol like this. So based on this, we will arrange the numbers in the ascending order and descending order. Let's move to exercise part. Let us solve exercise 1.4. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol greater than, less than or equal to. A1 62,901, 62,192. So first count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both the digits are same. Start moving from the extreme left. So 6 in 10,000's place. 2 and 2 in thousands place. 9 and 1. So they are different. 9 is greater than 1. Hence 62,901 is greater than 62,192. B1. Let's count the digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number with the more number of digits is greater than the number with the less number of digits compared. Here next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also the digits are same. Start comparing from extreme left. 2 in lakhs place, 2 in lakhs place. 1 in 10,000's place, 1 in 10,000's place. So in thousands place 7 and 0. So when you compare 7 and 0, 7 is greater. Put a mark. So D and E, try by yourself. So let us solve second main. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Here also let us implement the same rules over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the numbers having 5 digits. So start comparing from the left side. 3, 3, 4, 4. Which is the smallest? These two numbers will be smallest compared to these two. So among these two, 32, 37, 32,581 is smallest. Mark as 1. Then this will be second. So when you have compared, these two will be smaller than these second two numbers. So what will do? 4 and 4 are equal. Among these smaller is 4 and 4 are equal. 8 and 7. So 47,653 is third. And next is 48,397. So arrange them. So first number is 32,581. Next number is 37,385. Next number 47,653. 48,397. This is the answer. So we'll move to B. So first count the digits. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here two digits are having two numbers are having 5 digits and two numbers are having 6 digits. What you will do? The number having 5 digits you will write first. Compare first. So among these smaller, 83,487, 84,844. So 83,000 is smaller than 84,000. Write as first. And this will be the second number among these two. And next two numbers have a 6 digits. Let us compare. 8,47,485, 8,26,000. So 26,000 is smaller than 47,000. 8 lakh is common. So this will come for third and this will for fourth place. So when you write the answer 83,487 first, then 84,844. Then third number is 8,26,521. Next number 8,47,485. 485. C and D will be given to you in the classwork. Before that, try once. Next main, write in descending order. Write in a descending order means you are writing the number from greater number to the, you are going to arrange the number from greater number to the smaller number. So here just same method is followed. You count the digits 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. All the numbers have 5 digits. So among these, which is a greater? You are going to write the greater number first. First one is compare, when the digits are same, compare the numbers from left. 7 is greater, so this will come for the first. 4, next greater number, this will come next. Then among these two, which is the greatest number? 37,000. So 38,000 will be greater, 37 will be smaller. So greater number, smaller to this number, smaller to this number. So when you arrange greater number first, 79,425, 45,291, 38,519, 37,408. So you are going to arrange the numbers like this. So next 96,000. So first count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the digit having the number having 6 digit is the greater. Now among this will come first. Among these three, 96,048, 96,338, 98,000. So all the numbers having 9 in the extreme left. When you compare, start comparing the next left. 98,000 will come next greater. 96,048 and 96,300. So this will come fourth and this will come third. Arrange them. So first number is 9,18,312, 98,489, 96,338, 96,048. Here 0 is there, here 3 is there, so smaller number will come later. So arrange the given number in the descending order. So C and D, try by yourself and will be given the notes. Here completes exercise 1.4. Thank you, children.